In these first few moments, please find a quiet place to rest, whether seated or lying down, whichever feels good for you. In this inner sanctuary meditation, I encourage you not to judge, but to allow and be open to the experience. Let's begin now by taking some deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if you cannot breathe in through the nose, just breathe in through the mouth. That is perfect. That is fine. Take another deep breath in and exhale out. One more deep breath in and exhale, let everything go. Bring your awareness to your body. Bring your chin in if it's jutted out, so your head is balanced evenly over your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Remember, if you intend to relax, it is so. Shoulders over hips if you are seated. If not, just intend to release and let go, and let, if you are lying down, the space hold you, and if you are seated, the chair hold you completely. You are safe. You have nowhere to go, nothing to bother you, only to experience the inner sanctuary adventure. So now, please close your eyes, and or if that does not feel comfortable, keep them very gently open, staring about 3 feet out in front of you. In your mind's eye, I want you to visualize somewhere out in nature. It could be the desert or the mountains. It could be a field of flowers or the ocean. Whatever comes to mind. Again, no judgment, just allow the images to come to mind. It might be fragments from a movie or show you've seen. It might be something completely new. Again, we can analyze later, but right now just allow the experience to unfold in front of you. In this natural setting, you see now in front of you a path. Begin to walk down that path, taking everything in. What do you see? What do you feel? Is it nighttime? Is it daytime? What do you hear? Do you hear birds, animals in the distance? Or maybe nothing at all? Is it warm? Is it cold? Again, just allow as you continue to walk down the path. And up ahead you see an opening to some kind of space, grove, sanctuary, if you will. Walk up to this entrance and then in to your inner sanctuary. Again, no judgment, just experience. What is here in your inner sanctuary? This is a space only for you, made for you. A place where you can come when you need restoration, support. It is only love here. Take a walk around it, taking everything in. You might want to take a seat at some point and just absorb this beautiful energy. Good. Before we leave your inner sanctuary, please take a deep breath in, literally inhaling the beautiful energy that is here for you, and then exhaling out all that you no longer need. This is a space where you can always come to at any moment in time, but now you know of one of your inner sanctuaries. And perhaps now extend gratitude for it manifesting, showing you a space to find restoration and peace and ease and love, and then begin to walk back out the entrance and back up the path. Again, taking a look around, seeing if there are any identifying features, any animals, any birds, anything that perhaps you can look up later for symbolism. Again, this path has been made for you. And now take a deep breath in. Exhale out. With every inhale in and exhale out, you begin to return to the space that you are seated in now or laying in now. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale out. And now you can return completely to your space by opening your eyes or opening them wider, and know that you can return to your inner sanctuary at any time, whenever you need.